Hello, and welcome to our Cybersecurity Awareness Series 8. Today, we're discussing a significant cyber attack that targeted multiple companies through their cloud storage provider, which we'll call cloud storage. This incident highlights the shared responsibility in cloud security. In May, a hacker group began selling 560 million breached records from one company. 2 days later, they offered 30 million records from another company. The common link? Both companies used the same cloud storage provider, cloud storage. What everyone thought happened. Attacker breaches cloud storage, gains access to customer accounts, breaches customer data. What actually happened? Attack flow. Attacker drops infostealers on employee devices of customer companies, steals admin credentials from these devices, uses stolen credentials to access the customer's cloud storage instance, succeeds in logging in easily for cloud storage accounts that did not enable MFA, exfiltrates data from the compromised accounts. It was determined that 165 companies were impacted in this campaign. Key insights. Infostealers. High ROI for attackers. Infostealers are malware that steal credentials, providing a low-cost, high-return investment for attackers. They can be bought for as little as $20 and guarantee access to live passwords and tokens. This underscores the importance of practices like password rotation. Conditional access policies. It's not just who can enter, but from where they can enter. Leverage conditional policies to restrict database access to specific locations or IP ranges. The impacted cloud storage instances did not have network allow lists to restrict access to trusted locations. Shared responsibility in cloud security. When hosting data in the cloud, both the customer and the cloud provider share responsibility for securing that data. Providers should enable platform-level security controls, while customers should implement instance-level controls. This incident sparked a debate on whether MFA should be mandatory by default. The consensus? MFA is a baseline security measure and should be enforced. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more real-world cybersecurity insights.